Hi everyone. Now we're going to see how to create a new lemma, right? So usually you create a new lemma when that lemma is not available in the preloaded dictionary for your language in the WebTool, okay? So usually you discover that when you try to create a new lexical unit and the lemma for the LU you want to create is not available. So going back to our test frame 01, okay? Let's imagine that I want to create a new multi-word expression, which is test set, okay? See that when I type test set, there is no options here, right? It means that there is no lemma available. So I'm going to close here and go into another structure option in the menu. I'm going to choose lemmas, okay? And then I'm going to right click and add a new lemma. And what I do here is just type the multi-word in its dictionary form followed by its part of speech. Okay, so it's test space set dot now. There is an N for now. Okay, and then I hit save. The lemma was created. And then I'm going to search this lemma here. And here it is, test set. But pay attention, when I try to expand it, it's empty. So I right click because I need to add the Lexemes. Adding the Lexemes guarantees the connection between all the word forms and the lemma. So it's important because if you don't add the Lexeme, when you right click test set in your annotation, it's not going to be recognized as an LU. So I'm going to click again, add a Lexeme here, and then I have to start searching for the Lexeme. So test set is composed of two Lexemes. The first one is test, the noun, and here it is, test, noun, English. Okay, it's the first word in this multi-word, so it's one. Then there is no need to say anything about the break before, right? Because it's the beginning of the word. The break before function is used to mark if there can be some sort of intervening material between the parts of a multi-word, and it's not the head word. The head word here is set, right? So I'm going to hit save, okay? And then you see that test appears here, and then I'm going to right click again, add Lexeme, then choose set as the noun. It's the second, and then it's a head word. Okay? There is no break before in test set. I cannot put any sort of intervening material between test and set. So I'm going to hit save, and then it's done, right? And I can now go back to the frame menu, find the test frame, right click it, click on new LU, and then start typing test set, and it's going to appear here. And then the rest is just basic LU creation. You hit save, and then you can add the definition here, right? So for example, add definition. Let's imagine that frame element number 2 is precisely the thing being tested, so it's a test set. I can say that it's incorporated and hit save. And that's it.